On that. On there, just 2 drops.
I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red _ 92, and today we're going to be detailing this BMW X6. I'm also going to show you how to get out some scuff marks, and we're going to try to do it. So here we go. Alright guys, so if you see right here, there's a scuff. Customer tapped some barrier or something. So the scuff right here, it's not coming out with a regular wash. We're going to be using duracoating technologies. Well, they're 2-step process. Start with a compound, then with a polish. We're gonna use their pads as well, which is wool pads you can get off their site, as well as the polishing pad. So here we go. All right guys, I can't hold the camera and buff, but there it is. You can see it's all but gone. Like the parts that are still there, I mean, I would have to point them out to you. You could probably see that small scratch right there, which can also be taken out with a higher grade buff, meaning a lower grade compound used here with 2 lighter grades to smooth it out, and it'll blend right in with the paint. You won't even be able to see a difference. But that's just a quick how to remove a scuff mark from the vehicle. We're gonna be doing the rest of this detail speeded up, but just want to show you guys a little technique I use when I buff cars. This is easy to someone that knows what they're doing with buffer. You can easily burn your paint. You need to know how to use buffers and machines on your cars. If not, just give me a call or any skilled detailer. Back to the video. Have the vehicle all clean, dried off. Gonna hit the tips, some chrome polish, some duracoating as well. We'll let the tires dry. Tires are drying for the duracoating tire coating. We're gonna be doing 2-step on the hood and the side panels, some water spots, stuff like that. This stuff comes out pretty good. It's clean now, so it's harder to see the water spots. You can kind of see some of them there, like there and there. It's dried off. You can see them right there, faintly. I'm gonna use a two-step. Gonna knock all that out. Have this thing shining again, and for a long time as well. So there's a two-step right there we're gonna be using. Here we go. All right, guys. So just finished putting on the second step of the two-step duracoating compound and polish. And I don't know if you guys remember when I rubbed the hood to show you the water spots and how it sounded. I'll just play that again right now. All right. So you can see in the depth, there's nothing. This is live footage. I'm not editing it. This part isn't edited. I'm gonna leave that mishap in there just to show you. But as you can see now, the clarity of the vehicle is a lot better. That spot, rubbing my whole hand across, like it's smooth. Wipe that off. But now you can't see anything but that nice pearl paint job, or flake, whatever you want to call it. Very clear, very finished. Thanks to duracoating technologies. Two-step process. There it is right there. That's what I use to get these cars nice and shiny. Like I said, it's a process. You can try it yourself. It's very easy to use. The knowledge, it's not very easily obtained. So, simple to use though. But here you go. Very smooth. All right, guys. So we're using duracoating's two-step process for these scuff marks right here. You see one right here, goes across the signal light on the side here as well. We'll see if we can pull that out also. But it's from here down to here. I'll zoom in with the camera to show you guys. I'm gonna try to get out most of the scuffs and everything like that. So as you can see, that's one of them. Then there's more. Then there's more down here. So we're gonna buff all this out using duracoating's simple and easy process of their two-step compound and polish. Get a little noisy. And just on that, on there, just 2 drops. Around a little sling. Now, as you can see now, the scuffs are gone. Some scuffs are misinterpreted as really deep scratches, needing paint jobs, stuff like that. When this one has very fine scratches and with a higher level of buffing, which can be done with a lower grade grit compound, something that's a little bit more abrasive, can get in here and lift this up and then come back over it with a lighter compound and then a finishing polish. I've seen that done with 3M products, which I also have, but I'm not doing that today. This can come completely out, but I think the customer will be more than satisfied with this because it's not even noticeable unless you get up on it and look at a fine scratch right here. Like, even if I zoom in, I don't know if you can even see it, but there's nothing there now. So, back to the detail. Hey everybody, as you see, the detail went a little longer than expected, but the car is very clean. I'll do a walk around another day. I'm gonna do one now, but to actually see the difference in the paint and the tires and everything like that, of course, sunlight will do it a lot more justice. But here it is. Scuff marks are gone. That part of the video you can see very clearly. I got that done in the daytime in preparation of this being done at night or being finished up at nighttime. So vacuumed up pretty good. For the inside, it's just a regular vacuum, so that's why I didn't bring the camera inside. But there you go. The main focus was on the duracoating products and how easy they are to apply and use on your vehicle. And you can do all this with a water hose, a normal garden hose, and some practice. I mean, I did it, but as you know, if you look at my YouTube channel and my Instagram page, I detail a lot, so I got a lot of experience with it. But you can do this, you can very easily do this in your garage, in your driveway, with a water hose and soap and water, with the addition of a DA buffer that helps apply the duracoating two-step process. You can do it by hand, but it took a lot longer and you won't get the same exact finish as you would with the DA polisher. It helps it out tremendously. And with that, just you want to, again, this is me being experienced, you want to tape off the edges of the vehicle, any parts that are rubber, anything like that, tape that off for the compound, which is the step 1 of the duracoating. Step 2, you have to worry about it. It's not as, I guess, clingy to rubber, so it wipes right off. But just to be careful, avoid all of the rubber lining, rubber grommets and all that stuff around the windows and window seals and door seals. Other than that, the duracoating products went on pretty well. As you can see, the tire, that stuff is going to stay like that. That is dry. Like, that is dry. Like, it's nothing on my hand. So, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Later, guys. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!